Hello, Chef here. A real quick organic carrot. I'm going to do a quick julienne here. Try to get it so you can see what I'm doing here. First thing I like to do is always cut a flat spot. Remove that for stock. Got my flat spot right there. And just cut a few nice thin slices like this. So julienne, we're looking for perfect cuts, approximately 1/8 of an inch thick. Okay, I'm going to start with these, line them back up, cut them off the right size right there. Okay, those look pretty good, matchstick size. Once again here, line them up. Okay, that's a nice julienne right there. And if I was testing you, I would probably give you at least an A minus on that julienne right there. Looking good. Okay, real quickly, now that you've learned how to julienne these carrots, we're going to take the little juliennes and we're going to blanch them in the water. Ah, perfect carrots. Ah, perfect broccoli. Capellini. Ah, pasta primavera. Fresh basil. Parmigiano Reggiano. Now that's a pasta primavera. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day.